Hello students, our physics chapter 1 electricity is going on continued. The last video of the chapter, in previous video you learn about expression of resistance in series. Today we will learn about the expression of resistance in parallel. Suppose we are taking 3 resistors like 3 resistors R1, R2, R3. All these resistors are connected in parallel. Across them a voltmeter is connected in parallel. In parallel, I is different in individual resistance while V is constant. To prove parallel combination, in parallel 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R2, 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. It means total sum of resistance is individual sum of the resistance. To prove, we are here applying Ohm's law. By applying Ohm's law to circuit, V equal to IR or I equal to V by R. Now we apply Ohm's law to individual resistance. We got 3 equations because we are taking 3 resistance. I1 equal to V by R1, equation number 1. I2 equal to V by R2, equation number 2. And I3 equal to V by R3, equation number 3. Now combine equation 1, 2 and 3. We will get I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Total current I, V constant, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. We know that V equal to IR. So we substitute the value of V in the equation number 4. We get I equal to IR we know that R3 I equal to V by R. Putting value I in equation number 4, V by R equal to V 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. V से V cancel, therefore 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Hence proved लास्ट में हमको लिखना होता है हैंस प्रूव्ड, ये पैरेलल प्रूव। अगर हमको 2 रेजिस्टेंस गिवन हो तो 2 और 3 गिवन हो तो 3। नाउ वी हैविंग अ टॉपिक इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी और इलेक्ट्रिक work. For that we having some formula. We know that suppose it is a conductor, in that electrons are move, thus having the 2 points A and B. In moving charges from A to B, we know that V equal to W upon Q, or W equal to V into Q. But we know that Q equal to I into T. Therefore, W equal to V into I into T. First formula for the work done. This work done is equal to energy transfer. Second, W equal to because V equal to IR. V equal to IR, we are putting value that W equal to I square RT. For work done, another relation. Number 3, it is W equal to, because I equal to V by R, so V square upon R square RT, एक R से एक R cancel. Therefore, W is equal to V square upon R into T. This is the different formulas for numericals. The next, and the final topic, electric power. What about electric power? Electric power, power denoted by P. Electric power, power denoted by P. The rate of doing electric work. The rate of doing electric work, it is electric power, P equal to work done upon time. Students, we know W equal to V into I into T. Therefore, P equal to VIT upon T. T से T cancel. P equal to V into I. These formulas you are needed for the numerical problems. Also, W equal to I square R. Therefore, W equal to I square R upon T. W equal to R square W equal to I square R upon T, I square R T. T से T cancel, we got P equal to power equal to I square R. So these are the another relation for power. Number 3, W equal to V square upon R into T. Therefore, P equal to V square upon R into T upon T. T से T cancel. What remaining? P equal to V square upon R. These are the different formula. P equal to V into I, P equal to I square R, and P equal to V square upon R. ठीक है ना? The last topic of the chapter, commercial unit of electric energy. Commercial unit of electric energy. इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी की कॉमर्शियल यूनिट, इट मीन्स जब इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इंडस्ट्रीज़, होम्स, है ना, फैक्ट्रीज़ में यूज़ होता है, तब हम यूज़ करते हैं कॉमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. एंड व्हाट इट इज़ kWh. इसको हम पढ़ते हैं किलो वाट आवर. kWh, it is a commercial unit of electric energy. Sometime you are asking how many joules in 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1000 watt into 3600 second equal to 360000 joule, or 3.6 into 10⁻⁶ joule. तो फाइनली 1 kWh इक्वल टू 3.6 इंटू 10⁻⁶ जूल. कभी कभी हम कोई रिलेशन पूछें तो हमें बताने हैं. इट इज़ आवर ऑल लेसन इज कंप्लीटेड. आई होप you learned the chapter very nicely. Thanks all for today.